The last time we had a criminal in office, everyone was baking this cake. Where are they? Captain Bread Hook and Chessie Cheesecake were right behind me. I'll go look for them. This cake is so easy, even a felon can make it. They're not in the house. We must still be in outer space. Combine 1 box of white cake mix, 1 package of pistachio pudding mix, and 3 eggs that you've beaten together earlier so they'll mix in evenly. And 1 cup of oil, 1 cup of club soda, and beat it for 2 minutes. Scrape the bowl in between. Woo-hoo! Woo-hoo! Whoa! Whoa! Woo! In the pan, brush on melted shortening into every single groove and crevice. You can see the cold metal turning it white again. Then give it a good coating with flour and get that middle tube part too. Tap out the excess into your sink. Add in 1/2 cup of pistachio nuts. We like them cut in half so they're not heavy and as likely to sink to the bottom. And bake for 45 to 55 minutes until a skewer comes out clean. Look, I'm surfing it! Ooh. Well, well, well. What do we have here? A space pickle jar? Hey! Sugar, do I look like a pickle to you? Okay, fair point. But what in cosmic calamity are you doing in there? Oh, you know, just chilling in my luxury suite. If luxury meant being stuck in a bottle for who knows how long! To get it out of the pan in one piece, this is our routine. Let it cool for 10 minutes in the pan. Bump it around a little. Help it pull away from the edges. And flip it over. We decided to use a bigger plate for all this frosting we're going to put on it in a little bit. How'd you even get in there? A series of fabulous but unfortunate events.
Pew, 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 pew.
Now, how about you let a lady out so I can stretch my wheels? I don't know. Usually when you let someone out of a bottle, they gotta grant you 3 wishes. The frosting is super easy too. Whisk to stiff peaks, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 3 tablespoons or about 1/2 a package of pistachio pudding mix. Matter of fact, you can use this ratio to make any flavor whipped cream frosting you like, and it's more stable in the heat. Hey, let's make this one a surprise cake. I have a whole bag of sprinkles. Yes! That's so fun! You can't guess what's gonna happen next anyway. Oh, honey, I don't do wishes. I do razzle dazzle. And trust me, that's way better. Ha! All right, so you're telling me You ain't no wish-granting genie. No one knows what pistachio nuts has to do with the Watergate scandal, but it was 1972. 5 burglars broke into the offices of the Democratic National Committee at the Watergate office complex in D.C. Investigations later exposed a whole trail of abuses from President Nixon and his administration. Nixon even tried to cover them up. Honey, do I look like I pop out of bottles to make dreams come true? Well, you did pop out of a bottle. Kinda. And you do got that whole mystical glow thing going on.